Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID and ensuring you can access a trusted device or browser. Sign in at iCloud. COM or Open settings, this verifies the account is correct. Once done, make sure two-factor authentication is available. Apple sends codes to trusted devices or phone numbers. If you use a recovery key, locate it now because you will need it during reset. These steps prevent lockouts and let you change the password safely without losing data. You will now perform the actual password reset from a trusted device or iCloud. COM. Go to Password and Security and tap Change Password, then enter your device passcode to authorize. If you cannot access a trusted device, start account recovery. This may take hours to days, but it preserves security. When setting the new password, pick at least 12 characters with mixed letters, numbers, and symbols. This prevents reoccurrence and keeps iCloud, Apple services, and keychains safe. Finally, update the new password across all devices and apps, Mail, iCloud settings, and any third-party apps using Sign In with Apple. Sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens and keychain syncing. If something goes wrong, codes not arriving or devices rejected, start account recovery immediately or contact Apple support with your device serial and proof of purchase. This helps verify ownership. One key troubleshooting tip. If two-factor codes fail, check date/time settings and network. Incorrect time often breaks authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.